This 2025 Keystone Montana High Country 311RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Montana High Country 311RD is 11,880 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.